In this problem, we are exploring the similarity of circles. And the main thing to know about that is that all circles are similar. You can always map one circle onto another circle with just a translation and a dilation. And the way you would do this is you would take the center and make sure it's lined up with the other center, and then shrink it or enlarge it through a dilation so that it matches on the outline. And that's exactly what we're doing here. We're being asked to move the solid circle, this blue one, onto the dashed circle, and to tell how we would do that. So the first step would be a translation so that the centers line up. And to make this center move over here, I would need to go to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got to go, we'll say left 4 units and up 4 units. And then we would need to dilate. So actually, let's just go ahead and move this so we've got it centered. So there we go. We've moved that. That's the translation, left 4 and up 4. And then we need to dilate it. And the question is, what's the scale factor that we're going to use to dilate it? One of the pieces of information we're being given here is the radius. So the radius of our original circle is 3, and the radius that we're shooting for of our dash circle is 2. So how do you turn a 3 into a 2? So basically that question says 3 multiplied by what equals 2? And you can simply solve this for x by dividing both sides by 3. So here, x, our scale factor, has to be 2/3. And if you take 2/3, you multiply it by 3, you end up with 2. So our scale factor is 2/3. And doing that dilation, let's just go ahead and make that happen here. Shrink that by 2/3, more or less. And there we go. We've mapped the original circle onto the dashed circle. So the last question here says, are the original solid circle and the dashed circle similar? The answer to that is always going to be yes, because all circles are similar.